Today we bring you the Jetson Orin NX Developer Kit. This developer kit is based on the Jetson Orin NX Module. The Orin NX Module is available in 8GB and 16GB memory versions. It is compact and has the same size as the Jetson Xavier NX, but offers up to 5 times the performance and 2 times the number of CUDA cores. Jetson Orin NX Module delivers up to 100 TOPS of AI performance. The Orin NX Module has removed the onboard eMMC, so it must be used with external storage such as NVMe solid-state drive. The kit comes with an official heatsink, that is, an adjustable speed cooling fan. It also uses a JETSON-IO-BASE-B carrier board, which provides rich interfaces such as M.2, HDMI, and USB. This makes it convenient for users to develop functions and fully utilize the product's performance. This developer kit also comes with a 128GB NVMe solid-state drive. It supports high-speed reading-writing, meeting the needs of large AI project development. This kit also comes with a pre-installed AW-CB375NF wireless network card that supports Bluetooth 5.0 and dual-band Wi-Fi, with additional PCB antennas for providing high-speed and reliable wireless network connection and Bluetooth communication. In addition, to meet the development needs of users, Waveshare Electronics offers 2 packages, each equipped with an IMX219 camera and a 13.3-inch HDMI LCD H for users to choose from.